Welcome to another episode of Frequently Asked Questions with attorney Shakeena Melbourne, the Bankruptcy Edition, bum, 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 bum. Where we talk about bankruptcy, credit, and financial discovery in the most simplest terms ever. So let's talk about some recent things that have been coming onto my desk, meaning potential clients calling the office, asking for consultation, because of course our consultations are free. And they're asking some similar themed questions. So I thought I'd make a video out of it. One of the most common questions that I'm seeing is, can bankruptcy stop an eviction? And the answer to the question is yes. It also depends on what stage of the eviction you are in. So, for example, if the landlord files the eviction case, and let's say they filed it today, you received notice in a couple of days, or let's say you just received a notice from the landlord that they filed an eviction against you. Can you file bankruptcy? Yes. Let's say you have your first court hearing from the eviction case. Can you file bankruptcy and stop the eviction? Yes. Let's say you have a second court hearing and the landlord filed the eviction. Can you file bankruptcy to stop that eviction? Yes. Let's say you go to court and you get your judgment, and the court says you must move out by a certain day. Can you file bankruptcy and still stop that eviction? Yes. What if you go as far as the writ of eviction, which means the judge entered an order, you had to move out by August 15th, you failed to move out by August 15th, the landlord files a writ of eviction to have the sheriff come out to the home to move out all your personal items. Can you file bankruptcy and stop that eviction? Maybe. So, if you are in a situation of an eviction and looking to see not just can the eviction stop your can a bankruptcy stop your eviction? You also want to look at, do you meet the requirements to file a bankruptcy? I am not in the business of simply telling people to file bankruptcy just because. You need to make sure you qualify to file, because if you don't, understand, attached to every bankruptcy is the U.S. Trustee's Office. U.S., United States of America. Do not play games with these people and file these bankruptcy and commit fraud. These people will come for you. Okay? So I'm not saying that. What I am saying is, if you are in an eviction case, if you are getting garnished, if you are having these financial disruptions that are causing you to be unable to see a financial freedom in your future, it is important for you to consult with a bankruptcy attorney and make sure you know what abilities you have, what options you have in order to make the best financially educated decision, and if bankruptcy for you is for you. Give us a call. I'll help. There's other bankruptcy attorneys that will help you. Ask someone. Stop just watching these doggone videos online and you can't talk to nobody about nothing. Call somebody for help. Now is the time so you can make sure you know and understand what options you have. Now, like we say, or I'm supposed to say, I need you to reply and comment and like the video. But I promise I'll be the one that's responding to your questions. Take care.